Hello friends, today we will convert number 1 to 5 into beautiful bird shapes. So let's start with number 1. Let's make the front part of the bird starting from bottom of letter number 1. Now make the tail. Okay, keep drawing with me so you can easily sketch these birds. See how beautifully we converted number 1 into beautiful and cute bird. Let's make its eyes. Wow, it's so simple and beautiful. See how we beautifully converted number 1 into bird. So let's begin with that number 2. We can convert number 2 easily into duck shape. So keep drawing with me. Wow, it's so simple, right? Okay, hope you are drawing with me. Let's make its eyes and nose. Wow. See how the duck is floating on water. Now let's convert number 3 into bird. Let's make it straight. Then the front part. Now the eyes. And fill it with pencil. Let's make his nose. Wow, it's simple, right? We easily converted the number into cute bird. So let's start with number 4. Keep drawing with me, so in less than a minute we can convert into beautiful bird shape. That is make feet. Now its head with eyes and nose. Wow! See the bird standing on its one foot. Now let's convert the number 5 into bird. Starting from top of letter number 5. Wow. Keep drawing with me so you can follow the step easily. Now let's fix its eyes. Wow. Now let's sketch the bottom part. Now the head. Wow, it's beautiful. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe Kidzmania to watch fantastic videos every week.